In the last video, we have learned what are variables in JavaScript. Now, in this video, we are going to learn what are the operators available in JavaScript. So, operators available in JavaScript. So, basically, operator means, suppose let me declare a variable a which is having value 10 and variable something. Here, I'll simply write a comment that equals to is assigning value. That means I am assigning value 10 to variable a. That is a equals to is an assignment operator. Now, if I simply write console.log a, we can see that the value 10 has been assigned to this variable a. So in the browser, you can see value we are getting as 10. Now, we have one more operator, that is addition operator. So for that, what we will do, we will create a variable b which is having value b, which is having value 5. Now console.log, we will simply write console.log a small a, I guess, small a plus b. So here this plus is addition operator. So as you can see, this addition operator is doing the sum of 10 and 5, or we can write variable c equals to a plus b. And if I console.log c, here plus is doing of addition of a and b. So this is addition operator. So value of c is c. If I go to the browser, we can see value of c is 15. So now if I change the value of b to 6, we can see there is a change in the value of c, that is c is 16. Now we have one more operator, that is multiplication. So as the name suggests, this will multiply. So let variable something as mul equals to a into b. So if I console.log mul, so you will see that there is a multiplication of a into b, that is we will get the value as 16. So this is multiplication operator. In the same way, we have division operator. So let me create a variable div equals to, let divide a by b. So a is 10 and b is 6. If I console.log div is division comma div, so you will be seeing the value as something 1.667. so let me change the value of b to 5. So you'll be getting value as 2. So division here is 2. So this is division operator. As you can see, the value now is 2. As the value of a was 10, b was 5. So 10 by 5 is 2. We have one more operator, that is subtraction. That is subtraction operator. So variable sub equals to a minus b. Here we will get 10 minus 5. So we should be getting value 5 as our subtraction value, that is subs is comma sub. So now if I console.log this, you can see the sub is 5, that is the subtraction is 5. So these are some of the operators that we have in our JavaScript, which are doing some mathematical calculation. We also have some more methods of operators, like what we can say, equal to operator. So basically this equal to operator will check whether the values are equal or not, as the name suggests. So let's variable e equals to something 6, and let variable, suppose, let me write console.log e double equals to B. So as we have B as value 6 and E is having 6, so it will check whether E equals to B. So we should be getting true. So this equal to operator check whether the values are equal or not. Single equals to is assigning and double equals to is checking the value. Now if I write console.log E is not equals to B, so this should be giving us false because there E is 6 and B is also 6. So this is not equal to operator basically. So as you can see, we are getting a value as false. Now we have some more operators, less than operator. So let variable a, or what we can say, let me write num1 equals to 6 and let variable num2 equals to something as 10. So if I write console.log num1 or num2, yeah, let's check less than operator first. So num2 is less than num1, so num2 is 10 and num1 is 6. So this should be coming as false because num2 is r 10 and num1 is 6. So and if I check that if is 10 is less than 6, so this should be giving us false. So as you can see, we have false. So we have one more operator, that is greater than operator. So if I console.log num1 or num2 is greater than num1, so here 10 is greater than 6, which means we should be getting as true because value num2 is 10 and num1 is 6, and obviously num2 is greater than num1 6. So here we should be getting the value as true. As you can see, we have true. So this is like a greater than operator. Let's check one more thing.